This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Spacious 2-bedroom 2-bath townhome in Northgate subdivision in Shelby. This home is built with an open floor plan. The living room has a brick fireplace. The kitchen has stainless appliances and granite countertops. All of the kitchen appliances and the washer and dryer remain. The primary suite has a walk-in closet and a walk-in tub. Bedroom 2 has 2 closets. Bath 2 has a tile walk-in shower. This home has beautiful wood laminate flooring. There is a nice rear deck for relaxing. There is also a storage room off of the deck. This home is move-in ready. Northgate subdivision is in a convenient location close to uptown and to the medical community. This home is a must-see and won't last on the market long. For more information, review the details below or